Hi, there are some American friends asked me to teach them how to speak Chinese. I think I will just make a tutorial. This is gonna be a light version because I hope I can give you some really basic things for learning Chinese. Then you can start speaking Chinese by yourself really quickly and then make conversations with some Chinese friends. Because I will focus on the technique of learning Chinese, I won't spend a lot of time on teaching you how to speak each single word, so you better have an English-Chinese dictionary. Actually, Chinese is an object-oriented language, as known as OO. Such as some of the programming languages, it has the attribute of like inheritance, something. But if you don't know programming, it's not a big deal. I will show you these attributes in future tutorial. If you know the logic of Chinese, you can learn it really quickly. I'm going to follow 3 steps to teach you Chinese. First, how to pronounce characters. Second, how to use characters to make up words. And then last, how to make up sentences. Okay, let's start. The first thing is to learn pinyin. Sometimes Chinese books for beginners or in elementary school in China have pinyin on top of the Chinese characters. They are showing how to pronounce each character. After knowing the rules of using pinyin, you can pronounce any Chinese when they have pinyin with them. After you remember the pronunciation for most common characters in Chinese, you can read Chinese books without pinyin. Now let's learn pinyin's pronunciation. There are 2 groups of them. We can see that the top group are called initials and the second group called finals. When we show pronunciation of a character, most time we use one initial in the front and one final following. Here is another picture with the corresponding pronunciations for each of them that I made up using English phonetic symbols or words. The ones in slashes are phonetic pronunciations, and the ones in apostrophes are words that have the same pronunciation for each corresponding pinyin. Now I will pronounce each of them for you. From the first group, 波、坡、摸、佛、的、特、呢、了、个、科、呵、鸡、七、西、之、吃、诗、日、资、次、思、一、乌。Now the group of finals. 啊、喔、一、乌、吁、I、A、V、O、O、U、耶、约、N、因、温、ong、ing、ong. The last thing for pinyin is tone. There are 4 basic tones and they are only written on top of the finals. For example, we have a, a. If there are more than 1 letters in one final, we put the tone on the first one. For example, on. We have on. The tone is on the top of a. But except the ones with E, we put the tone on E and delete the small dot on it, like we. Another exception is 约, we put the tone on e. If we don't see anything on top of a final, we say this is a soft sound. We can pronounce it really soft, like we pronounce it like a. Okay, we have seen some of the rules for pinyin pronunciation today. Next time we will show some more of the combination of them. Bye bye.